Hey guys, it's Montana. We just put together the ultimate 16K GVWR gravity tilt trailer package, and it's fully loaded. So it's the perfect time to give y'all 5 reasons why you should buy a Texas Pride gravity tilt trailer. First, simplified loading and unloading. One of the biggest advantages of a tilt trailer is how it takes the headache out of loading and unloading. The deck tilts using a gravity-operated cylinder, creating a smooth, ramp-like angle so you can drive or roll your equipment right on. No separate ramps, no setup, no hassle. It's faster, safer, and simpler. Second, improved safety. With the ramp built right into the deck, you've got fewer moving parts that can slip or misalign. That gentle tilt angle keeps low-clearance vehicles from scraping and gives you better footing when loading heavier gear. And the gravity-controlled motion keeps it steady too. It won't drop, jerk, or slam when it levels out. Third, time and labor efficiency. Every minute counts on the job. With a tilt deck, you're not hauling or lining up heavy ramps. Just unlatch, tilt, and load. It's faster, cleaner, and built for folks who'd rather be working than waiting. Fourth, versatility and capability. This gravity tilt trailer hauls it all. Vehicles, tractors, skid steers, and heavy equipment. Drive-over fenders handle wide loads, and that extra 4-foot stationary deck gives you bonus cargo space up front. With a full 17-foot tilt and lower loading angle, it's smoother, safer, and easier on your gear. Fifth, durability and long-term reliability. Fewer moving parts means less maintenance and more uptime. Built with a heavy-duty dovetail and a reinforced frame, these trailers are made to last. Plus, the package includes a matching rim and spare tire, a front-locking toolbox, and factory direct pricing under 10 grand. That's right, built tough, loaded out, and ready to roll. So what's left? Click the link for full details on the 16K tilt package. Or give us a call, check us out online, or just head on down and get you one.